Hey guys, good morning. I'm back here with an unboxing and a quick glance of what I have recently purchased from Hermes. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to remove some of the paperwork that came with the purchase. I did buy this online because it's never available, at least in the stores here. It's rarely available to see this in the color way that I wanted. Yeah. So these are just, let me just get rid of these and start the unboxing. So I purchased it online. I've been stalking the website to see if it's already available, and then it was surprisingly in the size that I wanted as well. So let me just turn that around. The Hermes, I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos of the Oran sandals. It comes with two dust bags, one for each pair, one for each shoe. Sorry. So here is the gold. So excited for this. The gold Hermes Oran Sandals. Yep, very nice. So when I picked these up in the boutique, obviously I'd already paid for them, and then I picked these up. They unboxed it in front of me. So the kind sales associate unboxed it in front of me and asked me to try it on, but I was pretty sure about this because I do have these in black. Let me just quickly show you. I have these in black. I've had these for a couple of months now. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. Okay, but it has the same white stitching, and I had it soled here. I added rubber soles, took it to the cobbler because this part right here, it's also leather, and it can get really slippery if you don't have, or if you don't add rubber soles to them. So initially I was skeptical in buying these because they're not cheap. But I was looking at how I was, or what shoes I was wearing. And I tend to use slippers with my dresses and most of what I wear. So I said that these would be a great investment anyway, or an investment, but it would make sense for me to purchase these, I should say, because I use slippers a lot, and I like Hermes, and I've never had a pair of Orans. So yeah, these are great. I don't have narrow feet, so I would say that these are very comfortable. Didn't take long for these to break in. Took about, what, 2 wears for me to break these in, but yeah. Anyway, back to the recent purchase that I did. These are, again, in the gold leather. Hermes calls this color gold. I'm sure you're aware of that. Previously, their Oran had I'm going to try and insert a photo here. The Orans had a different color from here to here, so there was a connection here for the two leathers. Basically, they've upgraded that, so this has just one footbed, if you will. This part is stuffed, so that's a little bit more comfortable than this part. But I don't really have any complaints for this. It's all leather in this part. So again, if I would recommend that if you want to purchase this, and if you have purchased this, to get them resold, or to add rubber soles to your Hermes Orans. It will prolong the life of your sandals, and it's safer to use. So yeah, they're in 38 and a halves. I was told that, you know, half sizes are even harder to come by. I initially called their customer service to see if these were available, and I was told that, you know, they don't keep, because this is a fast moving item, is what they call it. A fast moving item, so they can't keep up with whatever the inventory is in all their stores. They have 3 in here in Singapore, so they can't. So they advised me to, because I called several times, they advised me to go to the store and check them out. Yeah, and it's highly recommended if you've never had these before to just drop by to try them on, see if this is what you like. And you know, they have the version that's also flat, but has a strap in the back. So it's the same thing, but has a strap in the back. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they call that the Santorini model. Then they have this same style, but with an inch of a heel, or 2 inches, I suppose. And then they have the wedge type, which has a strap in the back. So a lot of options for this type of footwear with the H cut. I would suggest as well that you drop by the store, try them on, see if they're for you. You can watch a lot of these videos, but the best way to go is to try them on, see if they are for you. If not, I would strongly advise against purchasing them because they're not cheap. Yeah. So that's my Hermes Oran. This was given by the SA. Super cute. A pinwheel. Doesn't really work, but yeah, they gave it along with the purchase. And I also bought this, which is great. I plan on using this on our bathroom counter just to, you know, give it a little bit of a luxe feel. And I'll show you what it is. It's an Hermes soap, and that's the name right there. I can't pronounce it, but it's perfumed soap by the fashion house. Comes in this very beautiful soap box. I don't know what to call them, but yeah, it's essentially a soap box. If you open it, you can instantly smell the perfume or the soap. It's very nice. So it says Hermes, and when you open it, there's this soap again. I've opened this for a few minutes in the bathroom because I took photos that I can share on my Instagram. And you can smell it inside the bathroom. Our bathroom is not that big anyway. Has a decent sized tub and a bathroom counter. So I plan on putting it there with a nice, I don't know, small little plant just to give it a luxe feel, or just to beautify and you know, give it a good scent. Plus it says Hermes. So in the back it says there the scent and a lot of details as well about the ingredients of this soap. So it has the Hermes Paris sticker in there. Beautiful, beautiful soap that smells really nice. In Singapore, this is not available to be purchased online. So I went in store and asked if they had this. They do. You can purchase this. I think this is a very good gift as well. If it comes in a box like this, of course it's Hermes. Their packaging is great. Yeah, so that's. I know I was going to speak about the shoes, but there's not much else to say except for if I hold this close, you'll see The Hermes is very posh. The Hermes logo, not logo, the Hermes engraving, if you will, on there. Is made in Italy, and I was told that their production is quite limited because of the current worldwide situation. But yeah, they're expected to pick up next year. And I also did ask for availability of the Hermes Aloha sandals. So those, I'm going to try and insert a photo somewhere. Those are half the price of these, but they're rubber. So they're very great. They're very good for beach wear, I suppose, if you like to wear sandals on the beach. You want to go a little bit luxe as well. So that's an option for you. I was told that those are available in the spring and summer season. So do watch out if you're on the lookout for that, for those. Anyway, so yeah, this one, it has the Hermes Cellier, right, and up close, like that. The stitching is great, no complaints about that. I would imagine that these would be really, really slippery if you don't get rubber soles added onto them. And it will damage the leather because that's leather right there. And if you walk on, we walk on concrete, there are debris that you step on, so that can easily damage this. I would suggest that you get soles, rubber soles added to them. And it will not add a lot of height. Let me just compare that. So here's the other one with the sole. See? It doesn't add a lot of height to it. And the first thing that will get scratched will be the soles, the rubber soles, and not the actual leather. Yeah. So, yeah. Right. Oh, by the way, when I first wore these, it rained, and it rained heavily. So these got wet the first day that I wore them. But I, like, really drenched. I even walked into a puddle because there was no other choice for me. That was great. That was the first day that I wore these. But then as soon as we were under a shelter, I wiped the whole shoe, well, both pairs. I wiped them dry, easy to wipe off. And yeah, it was no harm done. Right. So that's so there. I know that's dirty, but let me show you. So this again is pure leather, and if you don't get it protected, see that it will damage the sole. See how the name is scratched off. Not all of it, but it's, yeah. Right. So anyway, right. I hope that you found this video helpful. I'm not going to go on rambling. I just wanted to quickly show you what I have purchased, and if you could give me if you could hit subscribe and like the video as well, only if you like. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you later. Bye.